get started.
So, let me tell you about the coloring book guy. Well, just get a little emphasis here. Throughout this video and series, what I do is I talk about my experiences back in art college, or just little stories, what do you want to call it. I call it art school tales because I can't think of a better name for it, so whatever. And throughout the video, you're probably going to see me make something fantastic in the future or in the past. Who knows? I don't know. I'm just throwing it up there, but it is in fact me doing it. So, yeah, keep that in mind. So, let's talk about the coloring book guy. Now, keep in mind, all these events when I was in art college was way back in like mid-2000s time era. We got this area in downtown Detroit called Greektown. Greektown is exactly as its name sounds. It's full of Greek heritage people. Greek restaurants, Greek stores, Greek everything, basically. It's the mecca for the Greeks. It really is. The entire place. Exactly as its name is. And it doubles as well as our main casino area. Like, the main casino is all in Greektown. All of it. The whole thing. Fancy restaurants. There's a Fuddruckers probably. I don't know. But, yeah. We grown all used to the casinos over time. This was when the casino was like brand new, in fact. So it was a wild time for Detroit. It really was. And every so often, me and some buddies, or a couple times straight up classes. We had a class over there one time over in Greektown, just to, visit it, maybe draw some things that's around the area, take pictures, stuff like that. I never actually been there before, so, I had a little fun there. And I believe some of our fellow students from my school visited in that area to do, like, graffiti work. A lot of graffiti work. Yeah, that's a lot of it. And some I can't say names. I don't want to get them in trouble and all that. Some I don't really know. Some I have a pretty good idea who it probably was, but I'm not gonna snitch, man. I don't snitch. Come on. What's wrong with you? Come on. You don't snitch. Why would you do that? Come on, man. But yeah, this is one dude that we dubbed as the coloring book guy. There's a reason we call him that. Get this. I'm not sure if he's homeless or just a grifter. He's probably just a grifter or homeless or both. I don't know. It's really weird. We get some weird scalpers out there, but this is hands down just the most baffling one. This guy, I'm not kidding you, he goes around random areas, particularly in Greektown a whole lot, and he sells people coloring books. I'm not making this up. I wish I was. I pray to Jesus I was making this up. I'm not making it up whatsoever. He'll go around random areas where it's like a lot of people, I guess, accumulating whatever, and he will straight up ask you if you want to buy a coloring book. How much does he charge? $5 each book. And it's like run-of-the-mill coloring books. Like, some of them are not even like, almost not even run-of-the-mill. You can totally tell they're like, you might get it from, like, most likely, I bet, in the dollar store. Most likely. One of those coloring books. You know what I'm talking about. With bootleg Cinderella or Little Mermaid, that kind of stuff. Not even official Disney. Man. You couldn't even get official. Oh, he sold them for like $4, something like that, on the scalp. And I remember that he approached me and a buddy of mine, and we were just kind of baffled why he was even selling this to us. And I guess he figured out that we're artists. I guess it's like a big old sign from a cartoon from Acme just pointing down at us like this. Going, hey, you guys are artists, aren't you? Yeah, you guys. You like coloring. Here you go. Coloring book. $5. And we're just kind of confused. Why is he giving us this? It's just weird. Why are you giving us a children's coloring book? Like, I could straight up draw every single thing out of that picture book and make it look 10 times better, probably, than what the artist was paid to do in that book, so... I mean, look at my work. It's probably going through the screen right now. And yeah, I could probably beat it pretty easily. I actually bought one of the books just to kind of just see his reaction. Then he tried to make me buy like 5 other books. I'm like, why? What is this coloring book agenda going on? I don't understand. Oh my god. But yeah, we did tell him what school we're from, but just making idle conversation, whatever. He seemed kind of harmless enough. We're pretty sure he wasn't gonna try to rob us. Not with 2 of us there. Nah, that's just stupid. And our instincts were right. He didn't try that. I hope he didn't have anything on him. I don't know. You run some weirdos out there. But I kid you not. Within like a week or so later, we saw that same dude. I mean, I should have guessed. Walk around the area of the school. Now he couldn't quite go all the way in because he looks like a vagrant, straight up. So yeah, no. He's probably not gonna get any closer. But whenever I like visit, like, cause the museum, Detroit Museum, is not far from my school, and when I go over there, same dude haggling those coloring books outside the museum, like $5 a pop. See, here's the thing. I did actually buy one of the coloring books just so I could like paint in it, like actual, not digital paint. I'm doing now, but straight up just, you know, traditional paint with actual paint colors, all that stuff. Make it look like the Sistine Chapel kind of thing. I don't have a picture of it, unfortunately, but I did paint the crap out of it just to prove a point. Just say like, I don't need crayons, bro. I'm an actual artist. I can just paint this sucker. I had opaque colors. I had shading. I had lighting. All that stuff. Man, I look great. I wish I had a picture of it of me. I don't. I just did just to prove a point. Just to prove a point. He need $5 anyway. Why not? Give him $5. Man, if you see that guy, I don't know if he's even alive anymore. If you see that dude and you visit downtown Detroit, the colored book guy, please give him $5. It's just take one of the books. Just do it. Oh my god. This guy. No, I know a few more times I ran into him, like, what is it? At Wayne State University? Because I was visiting there for a buddy of mine. No, it was a concert going on over there, yeah. And this man outside, like all these students just walking around past him. He's waving his waving his coloring book around. Coloring book! I got your Sailor Moons! I got your Little Mermaid, your Pocahontas, $5 each! It was so weird! I never seen that before. Have y'all seen this stuff before? Huh? Anybody, please put it in the comments below. Just say something. I've never. This is such a weird hassle. I never seen no hustle like that. To this day, that's like the weirdest hustle I've ever seen. I don't get it. I don't get it. I think I see him scalping a few times too, so it's probably his other side hustle. But yeah, he sells coloring books. He's a coloring book guy. I don't get it. It's weird. It's weird. There were no drugs in there, by the way. No drugs between the pictures. It's just he's just selling coloring books. That's it. That's his hustle. It's the strangest hustle I've ever seen. It's strange then. It's still weird now to me. Just thinking about it. We kept talking about this guy. We didn't know what he's like a legend. The coloring book guy. That's all he is. Anytime we'll go to Greektown, which is only a few times I've been there, but every time I spot him, man. He'd be out there right along with like the newspaper kid or something. Going, coloring books! Your coloring books! I got 'em! You can color all of them! All of them! I don't get it. I don't get it. But yeah, as I'm finishing up this nice design I'm doing in the background going on, I just want to let you know that I am still, in fact, open for art commissions. To get an art commission from me, what you do is go to patreon.com/soulstarsborn. I'll probably have the screen, and then it's in the links below too. And what you do is there's tiers. When you go to those tiers, just simply, you know, pick one. Just pick a tier. It's described as, you know, what you'll get for each tier, by the way. So I'll make it clear as possible. If you're not too sure, you can always just ask me. Just contact me. Just ask me. Again, all my links, descriptions below. All right, look down there in descriptions. Dude, I can't give you a better clue than that. But yeah, I'm gonna let you go. I want you to have a beautiful day, and remember to like, share, subscribe, And yeah, comic book guy. If you see a guy like that, buy one coloring book. Just see what happens. Just see what happens. Screw it. Why not? Why not, man? It's $5. $5 for $1 book. Oh, that's so weird. All right. Please, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and go to the next video. All right. Take care.